how to set up Ticketool bot in Discord server. So if you want to set up a Ticketool bot, what you're going to do is you're going to click on tickettool.xyz. And once you come over to this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on invite ticket tool. Now, once you click on invite ticket tool, it's going to bring you to your Discord application where it's going to ask you to authorize your ticket tool with your Discord account. And once you authorize it fully and properly, from there, it is going to be set it up with a server of yours. Now, obviously, it's your choice on which server of, choice you want to go ahead and add it in. So as you can see, we can choose any server we want. So let's say I'm going to choose this server. I'm going to click on continue, click on authorize, and this basically goes ahead and add ticket tool bots into the server. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. And now you can see in my server over here, I have the ticket tool bot. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.